Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device and its OS. This matters because different systems use different methods. Once you verify versions, install the font or lock screen app that supports bold time. Make sure to grant permissions for lock screen changes and notifications. Next, open the app and choose the lock screen editor. This is your working canvas. Do not skip the font installation step, because without a bold-compatible font, you cannot make the time appear thicker and consistent. Once in the editor, you select the time widget or text layer to modify. You then pick a bold font or use the weight/thickness slider. Apply increments and preview at both 100% and 2x so you can judge clarity. Make sure to adjust size and alignment so the time doesn't overlap other elements, and choose color contrast that keeps numbers readable under different wallpapers. Also check lock screen shortcuts and notifications. They can shift layout and affect how the bold time appears. You now save the settings and lock the screen to test the result in real conditions. Wake the display and watch for both full and ambient modes. If the time looks too large or clipped, return to size and alignment. If it's faint, boost weight or contrast. Make sure to try multiple wallpapers and dark mode, because backgrounds change perceived boldness. If the bold time fails to show, clear the widget cache or reinstall the font or app. This often fixes permission or rendering conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.